Here we go. Flagman Brian Tapp turning the lights out. 20 laps for your Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks. It's showtime here at Tulsa. Brownlee and Bledsaw toe to toe. Bledsaw on the bottom into 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway. Bledsaw all over the place. Kevin Wasserman right there in pursuit behind. Chris Bales right there. Here comes Tommy Lawley in the 14. Lap number 1 goes to the 41 of Shawn Brownlee. Brownlee leading into 1 and 2. 3 wide for third, out of 2 down the back straightaway. Kevin Wasserman on the bottom. Chris Bales and Ricky Bledsaw was on the outside, and Bledsaw right there. And now Bales and Wasserman side by side for third down the front straightaway, and problems here on the front straightaway with the 7C. Hopefully you guys can hear me online on Flow Racing still, as we're back green. Shawn Brownlee leads going into 1 and 2. Shawn Brownlee leading down the back straightaway. Here comes Chris Bales to the inside of Kevin Wasserman. 3 wide for second, out of turn number 4 now. 4 wide momentarily. They all got crunched up, nowhere to go. Going into 1 and 2. Chris Bales all the way up on 2 wheels into 1 and 2. Oh my goodness, how about that? Chris Bales absolutely biked it up. Nowhere to go for him. That was insane madness to see there in 1 and 2. Chris Bales working now. Tommy Lawley to the inside, working the 62 of Chris Bales. Ricky Bledsaw. Bledsaw right there trying to get around Tommy. Now Tommy back side by side with the 62 of Chris Bales. Now Bales is going to the inside of the 23. Looks like he's going a lap down as everybody's going around him like a freight train down the back straightaway. Still all Shawn Brownlee as your race leader. For second, Donnie Wright is slowly challenging the 4U of Donnie Wright. Now here comes the 4U of Donnie Wright. Right there on the bottom. Here comes Tommy Lawley back to the inside of the 62 of Chris Bales down the front straightaway. Tommy doing all he can to get around the 62 of Bales. Out of 2. Bales right there. Looks like we're going to go ahead and get that slower car at the top of 1 and 2 off. Flagman Brian Tapp got the black flag in hand. He's just nothing but trouble right now. We're going to try to get him off the track, as he's just an accident waiting to happen. Oh man, they really, and he stayed on the track. Oh my, he's at a really slow pace, and 1 and 2 at the top side. He's just become that's just an accident waiting to happen. Brian Tapp got the black flag in his hand again. He really got to get off the track, and that's just an accident waiting to happen there. Track record is a 16.817 for factory stocks. We'll keep an eye on that as we're back green. Shawn Brownlee back to the lead. Going down into 1 and 2. There goes the field. Driving by Kevin Wasserman on the inside of Donnie Wright. Wright on the outside. Here comes Lawley with the move. 3 wide down the back straightaway. Bales on the bottom. Wasserman in the middle. And around goes Wasserman. Lawley was there. Lawley may have gave him a little help at the dirt track at Charlotte. Brad Sweet, 5-time World of Outlaws Sprint Car Series champion. How about that? And we're back green with the factory stock. Shawn Brownlee leads. Donnie Wright once again right there. Here comes Chris Bales. Tommy Lawley not backing down. He's had his name in the ring all night long in this one. Now they're side by side for the 5th spot. Jim Kuehn on the bottom, Ricky Bledsaw on the outside. And they got spread apart here down on the front straightaway going into 1 and 2. Brownlee still leads. Donnie Wright trying the bottom, out of 2 down the back straightaway. Didn't stick for him. Everyone strung apart now here on lap number 10. Tommy Lawley trying the inside now, out of turn number 4. The 62 of Chris Bales side by side for third. Going into 1 and 2, Bales took the bottom away from Lawley, as now we've kind of fendered off to a bottom lane track here for the Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks. Jim Kuehn right there trying to reel up, but here we go for the lead. Donnie Wright and Shawn Brownlee side by side into 1 and 2. Wright on the bottom, Brownlee on the outside. They're still side by side, out of 2 down the back straightaway. Wright, it's too close. I mean, they are neck and neck going into 3 and 4. Wright on the bottom, Brownlee out of 4. They're still neck and neck. Brownlee by a hair length into 1 and 2. They're still neck and neck. Brownlee up on the bottom. Right there. Donnie Wright in the orange for you. He's staying glued up on that bottom. Donnie Wright on the outside. Upcoming lap number 14. They're still side by side. Multiple laps. Wright staying on the bottom. Shawn Brownlee on the outside. Wright making his move down the back straightaway. He has him by more of an advantage. Brownlee has him going into turns 3 and 4 with 5 to go. Brownlee overcomes Donnie Wright. More going into 1 and 2. Shawn Brownlee able to pull away now from Donnie Wright. Donnie Wright holding as the leader now, getting away from Donnie. And now Ricky Bledsaw and Mike Wiseman side by side for the 5th spot. Wiseman on the bottom out of 4. Gave a little nudge to Bledsaw out of 4 down the front straightaway. And oh man, out of 2, that was a hair biter. Oh man, that was close. And now the 03 up in smoke at the top of 1 and 2. Yellow coming out for the 03 of Clay Holt. Big time up in smoke. 3 laps remain. Shawn Brownlee, your leader and your new track record holder. Donnie Wright, Chris Bales, Jim Kuehn, Tommy Lawley, and Mike Wiseman, your top 5. We're backing away. We're green here with 3 to go. Brownlee leads. Here comes Donnie Wright on the bottom, trying on the inside. Not enough going into 3 and 4. We'll see 2 to go. Here comes Donnie Wright to the inside by a nose. Led Shawn Brownlee there. Wright back to the inside in 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway. They're nose to toes yet again. Here comes Donnie Wright. He has the advantage going into 3 and 4. White flag one more time around, and oh, Brownlee hopped the curb. That allowed big time advantage for the 4U of Donnie Wright as your leader. And oh, Brownlee spins him. Brownlee spins your leader, Donnie Wright. Oh, the madness. And now Brownlee loses 3 spots. Oh, and he loses a door panel. Debris everywhere. Checkered flag. Oh, man, Chris Bales steals a win at Tulsa. Oh, my goodness, what a turn of events. Debris everywhere. Shawn Brownlee spun your leader. Tommy Lawley now on fire. Oh my goodness. What a turn of events. The safety crews quickly to the scene there of the 14T, who's lit a bit of a flame in the hood.